There are three main components of the 5G network. The first one is called as the user equipment or the UE, and it is also known as the mobile station. And using this user equipment, a user connects to the 5G network. Then the second important component is the RAN or the radio access network. It is called as the access network because it is here that the user equipment connects to the 5G network. And this RAN is composed of one or more GNBs. GNB stands for Next Generation Node B, and it is also known as the base station. And it is precisely here that the user equipment connects to a GNB over the wireless channel. And this GNB is also involved in the radio resource management. Now, what is meant by the radio resource management? Normally, in a network, you have more than one user equipments. Now, what channels these user equipments are going to use, at what power they are going to transmit, all these parameters are called as the radio resources, and these resources are managed by the GNB. That means that the GNB decides that which channels are going to be used by these user equipments and at what power these user equipments are going to transmit. And then you have the third component of the 5G network, which is the core network. For example, this user equipment wants to connect to an external network, and this external network is a public switch telephony network. And this user equipment connects to this telephone. In that case, the user data and the user signaling passes through the core network, and it is switched and routed by the 5G core network. And similarly, for example, this user equipment is calling this user equipment. In that case, also the user data and signaling of this user equipment would first go to the core network and then it would be routed to this user equipment.